Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours. We're here in Marmaris. Check it out, look where we're at. We are in the high street outside Migros. And we're going to take a little walk. See Wagwan, you know the vibe. So look, we're just here. We're at top class. Top class. I'm going to take a little walk down the football bars. Up to Boom Bar. So, you got Mr. Hair Art. Okay, and obviously Domino's. But yeah, we're going to take a little walk. See Wagwan. This one is going to be a very informative video, okay? So in the next 3 days, which will be after this video is out. So if you're coming to Marmaris, you're going to have a 20% increase on your beer and spirits. That's in every place that you're going to go to. Now, if I'm wrong, comment. But at the precise moment, you can get a beer for about $2.70. Sorry, $1.70. You can get one very cheap for $1.70. So 20%, you're talking about 200 lira. So if that's the case, let me know if I got it right. But that's the information I got given, is that the government is sticking on a 20% increase in the next 3 days. Now that's before I go home, so I'm going home in 3 days actually. So maybe I could find out for sure. So you've got Albatross here. Always a bit more lively at night time. And you got the old Geordie bar. Hello mate, you okay? Yes man, all good. So you got Geordie bar there. Got a bike behind me. Let's let him get him out. What's this one? Manchester? Manchester, da da da. Okay, brother? Yeah, man. So you got Manchester and you got Liverpool, Anfield, and let me just show you over here. You have Ibrox bar there, down there, British food, Ibrox, tattoo. I thought there was another bar down there. So here they show the football at night time. You can see the football normally is there at night time. And obviously, Anfield here. Hello, brother. You okay? So yeah, is that I've been told it's a 20% increase in 3 days. And that's a government thing. And then it's every month. Every month after that, there can be another increase. So hopefully they pass this, look at the melon man. Hopefully they can pass this increase off, but as far as I know so far, the increase is coming onto the people. So not a lot you can do. Hello mate. Yeah man. So yeah, there's not a lot you can really do. You know it's going to cost you 20% more for your beer from 3 days time, which is July. But they've had to put the prices up so far every month. Sometimes twice per month they've had to put the prices up because of the government putting the prices up. Obviously if wholesalers are putting the price up, what can you really do, eh? You're just a bar. Look at this one, it's very nice, isn't it? Like, it wasn't like this before. Pucker has really, really changed. And I swear it's changed in the last couple of weeks. So, good for them, eh? Good for them. We haven't actually told a lot of the bars down there that we're back, so it's a surprise for a lot of people that we're actually here. We actually did this as a last moment thing. Hello, brother, you okay?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. No, thank you. Hello, how are you? You okay?
very well yourself.
Yeah, I'm good, brother. Good man. Oi. So there, you got all the balloons. Everything ready for tonight. And like every time, everyone's got their beach area. All looking fantastic. Sabrina there as well. So look, this one completely changed. Next to Salt and Pepper, they've got a nice big green area now. Okay. Hey. So yeah, next to Salt and Pepper, you've got this bar now. This is all brand new. Doesn't have a name, so I don't know what the name is. Oh, it's at the back there. It's called Marinka. Marinka?
Hello.
What's the name?
Marinka.
Marinka.
Yeah.
Okay, brand new for this year, yeah?
Yes.
Good, good, good.
You will coming evening?
Tonight.
Live music?
I love live music. It's really good.
Yeah.
Live music's good. You know, better than the boof, 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 you know, clubby.
We don't boof, boof.
No, different.
Yes, very good.
Thank you there, yeah?
You're welcome, boss.
Bye.
See you on the beach.
Oh yeah, the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show the beach.
Tomorrow, that one is for you free all the
Yeah?
day.
Oh, okay.
Normal is 5,000 lira minimum spent.
So it's
but
normally
for you,
£10, but it's free. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna come here.
All right.
Okay, I'll show them. Let's have a quick look, guys. So you've got up here, everyone has their own pontoons, as you can see. Looking really good and nice. And obviously, as you can see, lovely areas where you can lay down, chill out. And yeah. Right, let's keep going now. I'll see you tomorrow then, brother, yeah?
Tomorrow, bye-bye.
Bye. So let's see my boys at Salt and Pepper. Is everyone in today? Is everyone gone? Looks like Doggy's still there. Yeah? She was just here.
Ah,
She's
yes,
just
she's here. You're my love. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Good to see you. You okay?
Good to see you, yeah. Good.
So, Salt and Pepper. That's normal. Well,
We're doing a little walk.
we have to go up. We have to go up.
Okay, then. I will see you later on then.
Yeah.
Definitely, we're coming back anyway.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
quiet, you know, everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere's quiet. Everywhere.
So bad, really.
You know, I think. Had the meetings around. So, let's talk. Let's talk.
Nice to see you.
Let's talk like this. Okay, so the prices have gone up. Let's go this way. 'Cause
Well,
it's in our face. There we go. In the shade. So the prices have gone up. There's nothing you can do because the government in 3 days are putting 20% more tax on the beer. Yeah.
It's tax and also see at the border of the Turkey is the war. The
Exactly.
Iran. We get affected there.
Yes.
So affected. Pound was last summer 40, now it's 60,
Now it's 60,
61.
yeah.
What's
So
the
it
difference?
is going down.
Still, people having the £3 last year beer, same £3.
Yeah.
Last point. Everywhere you go, £6 breakfast, and
Exactly.
now £6 breakfast.
Yeah.
But still, the price actually is good. Some people are, the mooning about the price, but I don't know, the why. But the too many problems, economic crisis all around the world.
Everything's a problem.
But we do best all the guests, to give them good time.
That's it.
And how are they enjoying it?
I think
Really,
that's
they're
the main
enjoying
thing
it.
because when I go to Spain and I go to say Benidorm or I go to Tenerife, there's no entertainment. The entertainment is over there.
In
They're
Marmaris,
doing a little thing like this,
To be
but
honest,
you are
Marmaris
giving.
for British people is the best.
Yeah,
But
you
as
are.
long as you be honest to the people always
But
will
you're
come to
giving
you.
good entertainment.
It is
So it's
Marmaris.
not just the entertainer is over there and they're not interacting
And
with the
at
people.
the moment,
you're giving
the
big
mayor,
entertainment.
the police or whatever, they're suffocating people.
Yes.
Too many rules.
Too many.
But, let the people free anyway.
That's
1
it.
a.m., the 12 o'clock, they come turn
I
off
see
the
them.
music.
I see
It's
them.
not good.
They are driving it around and around and around and around.
As a person
watching.
who years and years, I know I live in Marmaris.
Mhm.
About the 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, old Marmaris. No any rules like that.
No.
Till 3 a.m. music was carry on.
Exactly.
People they don't want to go.
They don't wanna go to Bar Street.
Or
Yeah.
whatever. But I don't know. But look at his lovely view.
Yeah.
It's stunning. That's what people they needed. Let the music is
Leave
on
them,
the
let them have
beachfront till 2 a.m. Even 2 a.m. is better.
It's better
Yeah,
than
it's
not.
better, yes.
But
Now
you know,
it's
the-
12. 12 they are
It's not
shutting.
good,
We
It's
was
not
out last night in Ishmael and every single bar the police came around. He came at 11:30 first, went around one time, everyone keep the music, and then
Imagine
12 o'clock.
How many people
Close.
they work? Everybody they come for money
Yeah.
to work. If the people at 12 o'clock music is forbidden, and how the people they make money?
They can't.
For a holiday
They can't make
person,
money.
You're not going to bed at 12 o'clock,
No.
are you?
What they're saying is because the hotel needs to go to sleep.
True.
What?
True.
What? Why are you
Yeah,
coming
it's
here
not
for? You can stay further away from this area. You don't have to stay here.
Man, I hope the next summer is need to change. The next summer they
Something
change.
have
But
to
if not,
change.
change it slowly by slowly, and
It's
then
gonna
people
finish.
go different other
Yeah,
places.
because-
Without music, we don't exist. artist, you know,
Yeah.
like no music, no life.
But before Fararaki in Rhodes, it was the same party capital of Europe, and then it finished because the government, everything got
It's too
involved,
much, you know,
and it
like too much
finished.
rules, yeah.
Now it's Malia, Zante,
Yeah.
you know, so it's always gonna move.
But this Marmaris is good for British people.
It's amazing.
Marmaris is amazing. That's why the people they call the Marmaris pearl of the world.
Yes,
Marmaris.
that's it.
Marmaris is the pearl of the world. It's beautiful, but you know how much
I know.
you love
I'm
Marmaris.
always here. I'm
I
always
made it
here.
3 years ago, and this is the best place.
It definitely
It
is.
is.
We're always
It
here.
is. As a person, I am Billy Nomade, guys. I love you all. If you ever come to Marmaris, come to join Salt and Pepper. Salt and Pepper.
That's it.
We are the one of the best way. We are the middle of the Marmaris.
Yes,
Good
that's
location. Good location. Too many shows, entertainment, everything.
It. That's it.
All day, all night.
Brother, thank
to
you,
see
yeah?
you.
Thank
Love you,
you.
babe. Okay.
See you
You're
later.
welcome. Yeah. See you later. Okay.
See you later, brother.
If you have time, have the coffee, tea, or maybe I offer you cocktail.
Yeah,
No problem.
no problem.
I
We'll
see
come
you
back.
later on, okay? Love you
Definitely,
guys.
brother.
Love you.
Bye, brother. So, like, as you hear there, guys, you know, everyone is trying their best. But, you know, there's only so much you can do. The price have to go up because the government are putting up the price. And as I said, 20% very soon. Uno Beach here. So look, as you can see, Uno Beach. And then we've got the brand new one. Hello, brother, you okay?
Are you famous?
You said this to me last time. Are you famous?
I'm not.
Wow.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Have you got channel something?
Yeah, of course.
How many followers have you got?
5,000.
5,000? So you're gonna post in this video, what you gonna do? You're gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
will you? What's your name on YouTube?
Wagwan tours.
Wagwan my G.
That's it. See, the same thing you said last time. So, guys, this guy doesn't remember us. He was here us last
What you
May.
mean last
We
time?
came in May,
May,
and you was
just
here.
Did I say that?
Yes, you said me Wagwan same way. The
I
same
cannot
way.
believe that, to be honest.
Look on the video from Marmaris promenade walk. You'll see
What's your name
yourself.
on Instagram
And
or
you're
social
gonna see
media?
he's gonna be following us. Watch.
Instagram or something like that.
For now, YouTube, YouTube,
YouTube, yeah.
YouTube.
Where are you from?
England. Near London, near London. There's nobody here now. What's going on? It's dead. Come on, speak about what's going on here.
Well, I'm looking my eyes. I'm so fucking tired, really.
Speak about what?
What's going on, man? There's no tourists at the moment.
Yeah, it's been quiet, to be honest, you know.
Yeah.
I think maybe because of school or something, isn't it?
That's
It's
our
finished.
channel.
It was finished.
Yeah, it's finished.
Is it expensive for that? I think?
It's expensive in the
What
restaurant
do you
now.
think?
Everyone is, hold on. Everyone is expecting, yeah, to pay cheaper prices for stuff. So obviously, when I speak to people, older people, they say, oh, back 20, 10, 15 years, it used to cost
So they
this
think
now.
it's expensive?
Yes,
they are right.
that's it.
You know what? I'm gonna tell them go fucking Thailand. Singapore.
But
Go
that's
fucking
what they're
Thailand.
doing. That's the difference. So
Yeah.
the problem is that we can say to them, "Oi, go somewhere else. Go somewhere
How
else."
many times
Everyone
have you
cheaper.
been here?
I've been here 5 times now.
5 times?
Yeah, and since I've been, every time it's slightly up. The hotel is
The
the
price
same.
is going up, isn't it?
Not the hotel. The hotel is the same price
Yeah.
for all inclusive. It's the same, but
what
the
the
restaurant,
the
and
restaurant
bar
changing,
is
isn't it?
changing. Yeah, but it's not your fault. It's the government that putting up
It's
the
the government's
taxes.
fault, you know.
Yeah, and there's nothing you can
It's
do.
everything expensive, you know. Even when
Yeah.
you're gonna live here,
Yeah.
it's really gonna be so hard.
They told me in 3 days' time that the price has to go up
You know, some
20%.
people is coming here for on holiday. They just say, "Oh, I wanna live here. I wanna move here."
Yeah.
But what they're gonna live here, they will see how it's hard to gonna
Exactly,
make
it's
money. You
hard,
know, it's
hard.
really too hard.
It's
Yeah.
different when
It's
you're
rent a house so
every day.
expensive, even drink, even
Yeah.
you know.
The actual taxes.
Just think, even tourists is coming, they say too expensive for us. So how we gonna live here? Do you know what I mean?
But we have to somehow bring the price down.
Yeah, exactly.
Because if they don't come, then it's going to finish.
exactly.
And then
right.
what? You can't expect the rich people. They don't care.
Yeah,
they don't care. They
give
sit
us-
on their
oh,
boats.
Exactly.
They sit in Marmaris Bay over there
You're
on the boat,
absolutely right,
so they
man.
don't give a shit to come to these restaurants. So the problem is we have to get the price down and. Come on,
Yeah, we have to
government.
get
Come
price
on.
down.
Turkish government,
Turkey
bring it down.
government.
Bring it down.
Bring it down.
You got to do it.
Please.
Brother, big up,
What's your
yeah?
name, by the way?
Kirk. Kirk.
Nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Lovely meeting you, bro.
What is it? 7. My name is 7.
7?
Yeah.
Oh, like on the
Yeah,
film.
that's my last name, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
My actual name is Sarkhan, but
Sarkhan.
my last name is 7. I prefer the people gonna call me like 7.
Because it's easier for
Yeah,
them.
like easy for English people, to be honest.
That's
Even
it.
when I'm gonna telling you my name is Sarkhan, you're gonna forget. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's it.
That's what I'm gonna
Bye
tell
bye.
you.
Big up here.
Thank you
Bless.
so much. Have a good lovely time. Okay.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Have a good holiday.
Bye.
Bye.
So as you hear, brothers. As you hear, brothers. As you hear, people. The price is very difficult at the moment for them. They have to increase because obviously that's the way that life is. You pay more for beer, you have to put the price up for the beer. You pay more for your cordials and everything else, you've got to put the price up. So, hello brother, you okay? Good brother. Up to boom. Maybe. So, everyone got to put the prices up. And that's one of the biggest problems here, is that the price is going up month to month. So hopefully, the government can see what's going on, because it's destroying the area. There's nobody here. Let's turn it round. So look, a lovely beach area.
Big cruise ship in at the moment.
Yeah,
Massive
big
down
cruise
there.
ship. But people who come on the cruise are not here
Yeah, they do a day
to come
visit,
out.
don't
They come out, maybe take a meal, and then that's it.
They're going to go to the bazaar, really, aren't they?
Yeah, they're going to the bazaar, and then that's it. So, Flex Beach, brand new. Look at it.
Felix.
Oh, sorry, Flex. I said it's called Flex. But yeah, and then you've got the lovely beach area. Very nice. Oh, check them out on the water. On the water. So you've got Stella here. Everyone enjoying. Yeah, brother.